Everybody get your roll on. I know shorty and she doesn't want no slow song. Had a man last year, life goes on. Haven't let that thing loose, girl, in so long. You been in.
What's up, guys? It's Money Station and I'm back with another video. So I am on my way to school right now. Well, of course I'm not moving yet or still in the driveway, but it's 8 in the morning and I'm on my way to school on a Saturday because I have to take the geometry milestones on Monday. So I'm just we're having a last little study session review thing before the milestones. So yeah. So I know you guys are probably expecting me to have my new phone by now, but I'm gonna explain all of that. It's such a long story, y'all, but I'm gonna explain all of that once I get back home. So I'll see you guys later. What's up, guys? So as y'all can see, I'm back home right now, and y'all know what I forgot to mention? Today is the first day of Vlogmas. Like, okay, Vlogmas, let's get it started. Okay, so basically I didn't plan on this being like my first Vlogmas video, but it is because I planned on getting my phone yesterday, doing the unboxing yesterday, posting it yesterday, and then starting Vlogmas today. But since there was a whole bunch of confusion, misunderstandings, everything, like, I'm not gonna say everything went wrong that could have went wrong, but a lot of stuff like just got mixed up. But finally it's here. I'm so excited. So let's just get to the unboxing. Duh. Okay, so yes, like gold. The gold is so pretty. Like, I'm so excited. Okay, let me calm down. So before y'all start coming for me, I know this phone came out like a year ago, but so let's get to unboxing. So I've never really done an unboxing, so I don't really like, I'm not a professional unboxer, so don't come for me. But let's get started. Oh yeah, I got the 64 gigabyte. You already know. Okay. Okay, so this is the box. It's very, like, I like how it's rose gold. Like, y'all can't really see, but it's rose gold. Like, in the box, the whole box is like a pinkish. Alright, let me just open it up. Okay, so first of all, why is this so heavy? That's the real question. Ooh, y'all can't see, but it's so cute and pink. Like, anyway. Okay, so let's take this out. Alright, first let me look and see what's in here. I'm a mess. So first of all, they have this little thing. It has some papers in here. Welcome to iPhone. It has this thing for the SIM card. Yeah, I'm gonna need that. This instruction thing, and then these stickers, which I'm never gonna use. Like, where am I going to put that? That's the real question. Okay, and so Okay. Sorry. Had to get that thumbnail. Anyway. So, this is the phone. Yes. I'm ready to see the back. Because I'm pretty sure it's going to be cute. Ah! Okay. Before I show y'all the phone. So first, there's the charging block. Oh, it has paper on it. I was like, why did it look so weird? The earphones, but where's the dongle? Like, what? Y'all really can't see anything, can you? Here's the earphones, but where's the dongle, though? They're lucky my sister already has a dongle because I'll be going crazy. And then the cord. So, yeah. Guys, I'm all over the place. I'm sorry. I don't know what's wrong with me. Okay, so this is the phone. Oh, y'all can see. Y'all see my setup again, like. Anyway, here is the back. Like, oh my goodness. Y'all really can't see how beautiful and like pink. It has like a tint of pink. Like, ooh, oh. And then the side is just like, you know, the hello. Can I get some focusing over here? Well, whatever. Y'all know what it is. I'm running out of storage again. What's new? But not anymore with this bad boy. So, first of all, this is like the size of it. Like, I don't know if I just have big hands, but it doesn't even really look that big on camera. But this is like my hand. It's like as big as my face, kind of. I don't know. Oh, I got fingerprints all over it already, but I don't know if I just have a big hand, but the videos I watch, they literally can't even hold it. Like it's not that hard. Anyway, I was considering getting the XR, but I like big phones, so I just have to have the A+. It's so beautiful, like, it's so beautiful. I might just have to get a clear case. I never understand when people get clear cases, but this is just too pretty to hide. Y'all really can't see, like, it just doesn't do it justice, but in real life, alright, so let me take off the wrapping. Ooh. Okay, it's just so beautiful. Okay, so let's turn it on. Oh yeah, by the way, I already have a case and a screen protector. I came prepared. So, yeah, I'm gonna put those on after I like get it set up and everything. But yeah, so hello, what's up, girl? Hola, I take Spanish, guys. Ooh, okay, so we're gonna do English, like country, United States. There's no other option. Oh yeah, there was other options. Quick start. If y'all don't know, right now, I have a Moto Z Play. So I'm keeping this because there's some stuff that's way better on this phone and there's some stuff that's better on this phone. So I'm keeping both of them, you know. So no, I'm not doing quick start. Okay, so let's get into the Wi-Fi. Oh, I can't show y'all the Wi-Fi. Whatever puts my heart at ease. It's joining. I put in the wrong password. Classic. Okay, it's activating. So I don't know if I'm gonna set up the rest with you guys. I definitely have to put my SIM card in. So set up as a new phone. Should I enter my SIM card now or later? I'm confused. Somebody help me. Oh, okay, here we go. Okay, this isn't too much for you guys. I'll come back when I have everything set up. Y'all, after 3,000 billion years, I'm finally done. Because I didn't know how to put in a SIM card. It was so difficult. One of my nails even popped off. Like, no. That took way too long. But finally, I'm done. As you can see, it says Verizon. That's my carrier. So, here's my case. It's so cute. Sorry. Anyway, so I'm about to put my case on so that I don't break it. Also, I'm really scared because iPhones are like way less durable than Androids, so I'm really scared about that because I don't want it to break, especially because the back is glass too. Like, is the back of this phone glass? Oh, never mind, because the back of mine, oh, cute. Doesn't look that. I'm probably gonna have to get another case because it's like flimsy and everything, but let's just put it in. It's so cute. Like, hello, like. Okay, so this is the case. It's so freaking cute. Like, nobody can tell me nothing. Excuse me? Excuse me? So that's it. Like, there's nothing else to do. So, this is my new phone. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys.